Hello everyone. Let's start with your new book India and Physical Environment of class 11th. Your first chapter name is India Location. You have already studied about the location and different aspects of our country. In this chapter we'll study about the stretch of India, that is the mainland of India, which extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. Our southern boundary extends up to 6.45 north latitude in Bay of Bengal, that is near Andaman and Nicobar Island. You must be studied about the latitude and longitude. Latitude are the imaginary vertical lines and longitude are the imaginary horizontal lines. There is one important fact for these two lines: the distance between two longitude decreases towards the pole, while in terms of latitude they remain the same. They are horizontal lines, they are parallel everywhere. And you must know the actual distance measured from north to south of our country is 214 km, whereas from east to west it is 2933 km. You must be aware of our Indian Standard Time, that is IST. Our IST is 5 and 30 minutes 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, which is standard time for all our earth. There are some countries with different standard meridians or different time zones. For example, USA and Canada. Due to their large geographical area, USA has 7 time zones, whereas Canada has 6 time zones. Look at the map of India. So there is homework for you. You all must comment me how many state and union territories are there in our country. You should also remember the name of capital city of every states. In this next map, the location of India has been shown with comparison of eastern world. For example, with eastern countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, we have been connected with the Bay of Bengal, and with Africa we have been connected through the Great Indian Ocean, and lastly with Gulf countries it's the Arabian Ocean that play its role of connector. Look these two maps very carefully. Now in terms of size, India has a very large geographical area. We have 3.28 million square kilometer area, which accounts 2.4% of the world's land surface and stands as the seventh largest country of the world. In terms of physical diversity, we have great Himalayas in the north and different large rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari and Kaveri. We have also 22% approximately forested area in our country. We touch our borders with countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and India. Oh, sorry, these countries connect their boundaries with India. Name the country which has largest land surface boundary with India. So you must be aware that Sri Lanka and Maldives are two island countries that are located in Indian Oceans, which are our neighbors. Sri Lanka is connected with Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. You must